Today we're creating a programming language. Let's first create the files we need, a translator script, which will convert our new code to C code, and then these two that will be used later. Then open them in your text editor of choice. First of all, we need user arguments in system, which will let us run bash commands. I'll fast forward the argument parsing code, feel free to slow down the video if you need to follow along. Now, inside the main function, let's get our program. What we will do is just replacing parts of code to translate it in C. In order to achieve that, we'll need a dictionary, containing the expected code and its translation. I'll put some random examples inside. We'll need to do the replacing as long as there's at least one instance of our keys. We'll later specify the must replace function. And, as easy as that, we have translated. We can now output the thing. I think it's better to declare constants at the start. We have one for the C code that will always be added, and the one that we used in our parse arguments function. We'll use GCC to compile the output. Here's the must replace function, really simple indeed. After fixing this indentation scrambling I did earlier, we're done. Let's try it. And here's our out.c file. We've successfully translated this garbage to working C code. You can now start designing your language. Obviously, I used C for this example, but you can translate to any other programming language. For ease of customization, it can be nice to have this replacements in a separate JSON file. To do that, we'll use a JSON module. Obviously we'll need to do some porting due to usage of quotes and apostrophes. That's it. You won't be able to do literally everything, but it is a very easy way to get you started. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon!